In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Asana to a Microsoft Teams channel. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the specific channel where you want Asana to appear. This is important because the app will be added as a tab inside that channel, making it easy for everyone in the conversation to access the same project without needing to switch between platforms. Before moving on, make sure you're in the right team and the correct channel, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or projects. Once you're inside the channel, look at the top of the page where the existing tabs are displayed. You'll see a plus icon there. Click that plus icon to add a new tab. This is the area in Teams where you can connect useful tools and apps directly into your workspace. And adding Asana here can make collaboration much more efficient by keeping project tracking close to your team discussions. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will open showing the available apps you can add. In the search bar, type Asana, then select it from the results. Take a moment to make sure you choose the correct app so the integration works as expected. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a second and check the spelling in the search field. Next, sign into your Asana account if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to choose the Asana project you want to connect to this Microsoft Teams channel. Select the project that matches the purpose of the channel, so your team members can quickly view relevant tasks and updates in the right place. This helps reduce confusion and keeps everyone aligned around the same workflow. After selecting the correct project, click Save. Teams will then add Asana as a tab at the top of the channel. Once it appears, you can open it anytime directly from Teams to review project details, monitor tasks, and stay connected to your team's progress without leaving the app. That's all it takes to add Asana to a Microsoft Teams channel. If you're setting this up for a team, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that the tab opens properly and displays the correct project before wrapping up. This simple setup can save time and make day-to-day collaboration much smoother.